Hello, today's session for early years, if you're 3 or 4 or 5 or even 6, we're going to make this about circles. Circles! I love circles. So first thing I want you to do is pause the video and go around the house and find everything you can that's a circle. Like this is a circle and, oh look, I found my easy button.
That was easy.
That's a circle at the bottom. I've got some toilet paper. That's a circle. Got loads of things. Off you go and find circles, and I'll wait right here. Okay, did you find them? Okay, you can always replay it if this continues and you forgot to press the pause button. So now we're going to take our circles and we're going to get a pen, pencil or pen, and some colouring pens and a piece of paper. So go off and find those things as well. Go and find your pencils and your colouring pens or pencils and your piece of paper, and we're going to draw some circles. Let's have a go. Right, so I'm going to start with a big circle. Right, let's start with the big circle. Now I'm going to use the pen so that you can see it, because I found that if I use a pencil you can't see it, but you can use a pencil. Okay, there's a big circle. Now, is this circle the same as this one? I wonder. You know what we can do is we can put it on here and see if we can match it and see if they are actually the same. Do they look the same to you? They're about the same. Well, let's see if we overlap the circles. What happens then? Ooh, we get some nice pretty patterns there. Maybe we can overlap that again. And it doesn't have to be perfect. It's any old house are good. And then what have we got here? Oh, I know. We could do a circle here, a big circle. And then we can take a little circle and see if we can draw it in the middle. You draw a circle in the middle. There you go. See, it doesn't have to be perfect. It's still going to look good. And then maybe you could find an even smaller circle. I wonder if I can do this. Oh my goodness, draw around. It's not quite a circle, but it's like a circle. Whee! Got another one in the middle. What does that look like? And then we can draw, let's see, what was the other one that I had here? Oh yes, the toilet roll. Where is it? What happened to my toilet roll? Well, I found it. I've got another one here. Okay, so we're going to use the toilet roll, and we're going to use the toilet roll. Something else we could do is we could cut up the toilet roll and stick it on the paper as well, couldn't we? And paint it and everything. Could paint it all different colours and stick it on that. So let's use our toilet roll to make a circle. And then the other thing we want to do is see if maybe we could make toilet roll circles all around the big circle. And maybe we could make some other shapes. And what does it look like? Oh, I know what that looks like. A little bit for me. Kind of looks like a kitty cat. Could put some whiskers on it. And you can draw it in, not quite, maybe more a mouse because it's got round ears. We could put a nose on, and that looks a little bit like a kitty cat. We could give it a tail at the back of the cat. That's just the cat's head. You can think of all the different things you can do and just doing art using circles and think of the name. They've got the word circle, big circles, little circles, and you've got what things look like when you've drawn them. What do things look like? And what other shapes? Like, for example, if I wanted to draw this cat's nose in, that looks a little bit like a shape that I know. It's not completely like it because it's got round edges. But if it had straight edges, it would be a 1, 2, 3 edges triangle. So many different things you can do. And colouring in different things. We can colour in this one in different colours. We've got green in the middle. And we could do orange in the next bit. We can even just draw. Look, we could just draw other shapes. We can make rainbow colours. We can just draw. Now that we've got the outside ones, we could draw other shapes and colour it all in. Use paint as well. Just have lots and lots of fun with circles. See you tomorrow.